Absolutely right, Billy. It is a chilly start to the day. There's some frost around. There's also some fog around as well. And still, in the next couple of hours, the potential for more fog to form. Some of that will be slow to lift, just lifting into low cloud, and that will hold back the temperatures. Now, overnight, we've had quite a bit of clear skies around, so the temperature has dropped, and we are looking at that frosty start. There's still one or two showers around. Even by 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll still have some showers, just flirting with the north and the west of Scotland. Inland, a lot of dry weather, but again, cold. Cold with some patchy fog across Northern Ireland this morning and just one or two showers, and also some showers affecting parts of northern and western England. But you can see all the fog. Now, the areas prone to the fog this morning are the Vale of York, the Trent Valley, the Vale of Evesham, the Severn Valley, through the Midlands and generally into the southwest. And where we expect it to be slowest to lift will be around the Vale of York, the Severn, the Vale of Evesham as well, and down towards the southwest. And if you are stuck under all of that, that does mean that it will peg back the temperatures. But for many, it's going to be a fine day. It's going to be a dry day. There'll be some sunny spells and just a peppering of showers across some of the coastal reaches. Temperature-wise, well, you will need to wrap up warmly once again. There's no heat wave on the cards today. We're looking at about 4 degrees in Newcastle, and also as we head down towards the south, Cardiff and Plymouth looking at 8 degrees. Through the evening and overnight, if anything, the fog is going to be more widespread than the night just gone, particularly across central and eastern parts of England. It could well lead to some tricky travelling conditions. Meanwhile, out to the west, well, the clouds are going to build, and we'll also see some rain very slowly edging in. Initially across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, but you can see the front connected to that moving towards western parts of mainland Britain anyway, and also a bit of a squeeze in isobars, so the wind will pick up, not significantly, but you will notice it. So tomorrow, rather like today, the fog will be slow to clear, for some of us just lifting into low cloud. There'll be a lot of dry weather just ahead of this front coming in, and the cloud will continue to build. But some of this rain will be heavy, especially with height. But if you look at Perth and Kinross, where we saw a lot of rain yesterday, well, we could see another 30 millimetres from this, so something just to be aware of. And also some snow above about 400 metres, so that could well affect some of the higher routes across Scotland too. Now, this front's in no great rush to get anywhere, and in fact, by Wednesday morning, it's still going to be straddled across eastern parts of the country, very slowly moving into the North Sea, clearing East Anglia last, not clearing the Northern Isles, where it will also be rather windy. And then behind that band of rain, we're looking at a bright day with some showers. So take your brolly for the next couple of days, although for many of us today, it's not looking too bad at all, Billy and Lou.
Oh, thank you very much, Carole. We shall see you a little bit later.
We won't need our winter